So, when I was about to post my Supreme Duelist video, I'm about to edit it when I noticed, bro, get off, leave, sorry, when I noticed there is like no voice of me. So, I'm gonna be recreating that once again. Oh my god. Bro, get out of my house. Ah! I'm gonna be restarting my video. When I first met Legendary Sniper, I was amazed by this guy. I was like, oh my gosh, this dude is so famous. I was in love with him. This dude is so famous. I was like, oh my god, he's so famous. Like, I wanna collab with him. I want to collab with him, but when I tried to convince him, he said to me, I'll think about it. He's like, I'm amazed by this dude, guys. You don't know how amazed I am when I first met him. I was like so amazed when I met him. I was like already fan and I saw him. I was like, no, bro, this guy is so awesome. I'm gonna be his fan right away. Then I subscribed to him. I said to one of the comments of one of his videos, I said, yo, wanna collab? And on the live stream, I also said that. But on the comments of that live stream, before he live streamed on Playboy, I said, sorry, I've been spamming this on some of your videos, but I actually want to collab with you. And when I'm about to poop, sorry if you're eating right now, when I'm about to take a dump in the toilet, I went on my notifications and saw him answer. He said, I'll think about it. And when he started his live stream, shut the fuck up. And when I started, okay, I am back. When I first saw Nani's comments, when I came back, my mom is talking about fucking something. This content is family friendly, guys. Don't worry. Why am I still alive? Die. Woo! Smoothest transition that I just did. I just did a front flip and I died. Pero, did pucha. When I'm about to take a dump, I'm on my subscription. I saw him comment on that freaking comment. I just, oh my god, I can't focus. But when on my first comment on him, I said, sorry if I'm spamming this on some of your videos. On his live stream, Blade Ball live stream, it only lasted like 16 or 11 minutes of that video. But before that started, I said, sorry if I keep spamming this in some of your videos, because I really want to collab with him, so I keep spamming that. But when I came back to eat, he said to me, I'll think about it. When he said that, I was like, oh my gosh, am I actually going to have my first collab? Yo, I'm just gonna close my window because my mom is yapping so loud. I will be right back. Also, I just gotta go to pee. Okay, I'm back. Actually, I don't know when is the time that I'm going to collab with him, but I think when this freaking NPCs reach the points of 4, I'm gonna end the video and post another one, and I'm gonna be reacting to Murder Drones. If you haven't I forgot that I'm going to have a voice reveal, but I already did it right now. Nice, very nice of my failure. If you look at some of my videos, I have a spunky brain rot failure video. I'm still working on the part 2. Don't judge. How are you still? Don't judge me, I'm still working on the part 2 of that video, but just stay tuned for that, okay? I don't know when the time that me and the legendary sniper will collab. After this, I'm gonna post this one, react to Murder Drones. And yeah, I'm gonna be making YouTube videos for every single second. Like, after I do this one, I'm gonna react to Murder Drones, or maybe tomorrow, cause right now it's like 1 a.m. in the morning. My mom's still not asleep for a reason, I don't know why. Also, if you want to donate us some money, just do it. I don't know, don't judge. Get off my house, bro. Get off my house. Leave. Leave my house, right? Leave my house. Oh, sorry, I'm back. Leave me alone, my friend. Hello, guys. I reached 4 points, guys. So guess what will happen? After I do this one, I'm gonna be reacting to Murder Drones. I'm going to do every single YouTube video per second. And when I collab with the legendary sniper, or I call him Eric. I just call him Eric. I'm just gonna call him Eric or something. I wanna call him Eric. I'm gonna call him Eric, and then I will be posting the video of me playing with him. Cause when I play Roblox games, what the fuck? Get off my house. Leave off my room, bro. I don't wanna see the alpha. What the? I died. I don't wanna see my alpha coming out. I don't wanna see me angry. I'm just gonna call Legendary Ninja. No, Legendary Sniper. Eric. I'm just calling him Eric. I can find a good name for him, but yeah. Eric. After I do this, I'm literally gonna post another video of me reacting to Murder Drones. Why am I getting pissed? I'm gonna be posting a video of me reacting to Murder Drones, or maybe tomorrow, because it's 1 a.m. or maybe No, I'm just kidding. It's like 7:45 a.m. in my timeline because I'm in Philippines. I don't know why. I died. I'm in Philippines right now, 7:45 a.m. and I'm gonna be reacting to Murder Dolls after I do this one, and then okay. Bro, let him give up one so I can end this video. And after what just happened? I literally, after I said that I'm going to end this video, I was like, another video popped in my mind, like, bro, I'm gonna be posting videos for another 1,000 hours. I'm gonna be posting videos in a second, bro. I'm the fastest dude alive making videos per second. I'm gonna be making a video of this, but challenge. Yeah, I will have a challenge. Yes. For my thumbnail, well, I guess that's the end of the video. Like and subscribe for more. It will help me a lot, my friend. Goodbye, everybody, and bye-bye. As always, peace out, my guys. Leave.